Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm the modern mentor, Morgan Mayfield, and on today's video, we're going to go over how to create an IDX home search website that you can integrate with your Facebook business page so that buyers can come to your Facebook business page and start searching for new homes in the area immediately. This is also going to connect directly to your CRM so that you will get an alert when a buyer registers with your home search page on your Facebook business page. I'm also going to show you how to make the picture on your Facebook business page a clickable link so that they can go directly to your IDX website. And not only that, I'm going to show you how to create an IDX website for absolutely free on today's video. So make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that like button on this video and follow my channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss when I drop a new video. You never know how much money one of these videos could save you. And I'm going to go over the exact strategies I use to implement this home search website into my Facebook business page. So I was searching the internet and I came across a marketing agency that said that they would integrate an IDX home search website with my Realtor Facebook business page so that buyers can come to my page and search for homes directly from my Facebook page. Now, they also mentioned that they would charge about $100 a month for this service. So this would be a one-time setup, and then they would charge you an additional $100 a month as long as you had this website integrated with your Facebook page. So on today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up for absolutely free. So once again, smash that subscribe button and follow my channel so that you don't miss any of these videos. So starting out, the first thing that you're going to need in order to set this up is an IDX website that's branded to you so that buyers can search for homes on your website and you can know who's searching. And you can also add in some automation to follow up with these buyers while you're asleep. So while these buyers are searching on your website, your automation is set up in the background to send them text messages like, hey, I noticed you searched for 4 homes on my website. Are you interested in scheduling a showing to go take a look at some of these properties? This is amazing because this follows up with your buyers for you and you don't have to do it yourself. One thing that I've learned ever since becoming a real estate agent is if it's up to me, most likely it won't get done. So you want as much automation and artificial intelligence implemented into your business as possible so that you don't have to worry about following up with all of your clients every single time you get a new buyer or you get somebody that's searching for a house but might not really be ready to buy a house that day and they don't want to go out and look at anything. So now you're not wasting your time following up with these buyers by yourself. You have the automation doing it for you, and this can save you tons of time to go on more listing presentations, to practice more listing presentations, to fill out paperwork, to get some contracts signed. This opens up time in your business. This gives you more leverage in your business so that you're not worried about all of these buyers. So let's jump into it. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up this website, and I'm going to show you how to get it integrated with your Facebook business page. So the first thing that you'll need is your CRM. So I'm with EXP. So my CRM is KV Core. Let me share my screen. So my CRM is KV Core. So inside of KV Core, they have all of these cool things that shows you how to set up a landing page, how to do an IDX squeeze page, how to do a call and text capture, all of these things inside of KV Core. So this is a great system to use. I used to be with Keller Williams. We use Command as our CRM. They also had websites that you could set up. But what I've noticed with KV Core ever since switching to EXP was that KV Core automatically follows up with your buyers for you, and you don't have to worry about that. With Command, you had to follow up with the buyers or you had to put them on a smart plan as they came in. So this didn't, with Command, it didn't show you that they were searching for the homes as they were searching, and it didn't follow up with them automatically with text messages and emails. This one does it all automatically without you having to write anything, without you having to plan out any smart plans. It will text and follow up with the interested buyers as they come in. And it will also alert you and let you know what price range they are looking in and what type of homes they're looking for when they scroll through your website. So this is very simple to set up. All you have to do is go to your KV Core. You'll come in on the dashboard. You want to click on lead engine and you want to click on build a landing page. Now, when you click on build a landing page, this will automatically generate inside your KV Core. This says your town real estate deals, free weekly list of hot buys in and around your town. drastic price reductions, fixer uppers, and development opportunities, free and instant daily, weekly updates, distressed properties, bank owned, and pre foreclosures. Now, you can require their email and you can get their cell phone number. You can make that optional. What I've learned is the less things that you require when somebody's signing up for your site, the more likely they are to sign up. So you don't really need their cell phone, but you can make this optional or make it not optional. It's completely up to you. Now, once you've done that, so you'll click save. Let me show you. So I was on lead generation. I don't know if it's going to automatically go to lead generation when you click it, but you can also do video view. You can do video lead. You can do text lead, content hijack, address capture, and Facebook chat. But for this one, for your Facebook page, IDX home search website, you want to do lead generation. Once you click save, your website will save. And then you can copy and paste this link right here. This is the link to your website. Now you want to copy that and you want to go to bitlylink.com, www.bitly. Want to go to bitlylink.com, URL shortener, and you can then shorten this URL on bitlylink.com for free. So you just copy and paste that link into here, and then you'll get your new link and you hit save. So now you'll have a shorter link. So if you are sharing this anywhere, it will not be this entire link. It will be a lot shorter, and you can customize the end and make it say home search or whatever you want it to say. Now, once you have your website created, and no matter what CRM you're using, you should be able to go in there and create a custom home website. So if you're not using KV Core, if you're not using Command, if it's not really simple for you, just look on YouTube on how to create a home search website with whatever CRM you're using. I'm sure if you're using a decent CRM, you'll be able to create that website. So now that you have your link, what you want to do is you want to get your link embedded into your Facebook page so that when buyers come to your page, they can find your link and search for homes. So let me go to Facebook real quick. And as I mentioned, we are doing this on your Facebook business page, not on your personal page. So this is what you would do. You will create a post like this one, search for homes. You have a picture or anything, a picture of a home. You can write search for home in the captions. You can do whatever you need to do, but you want to show them that this is a home search. Now, once you've created that post, which will be what's on your mind, create a post, add a photo, search for homes, and your photo will come up. Then in the caption, you want to write something like, your dream home is just one click away. Explore exclusive listings, unbeatable deals, and investment opportunities in your area. Click here to start your journey. Now you can put your Bitly link right there, and then you will write, be the first to discover your perfect home. Put some hashtags or whatever. But the great thing about this is a clickable picture. So if they click on this picture, they are going directly to my landing page that I just created. Now, when they end up on my landing page, they have to put in their email address and their cell phone number in order to see the list of homes. Once they do that, do it. See the list of homes now. Once they do that, they will end up on your fully integrated IDX website with all of the listings in your area or on your MLS. They can then create a custom search, and they also, all of their information has now been sent into your CRM. So you'll get an alert that says you have a new lead from your IDX website. Now, once they get on here, they can search, and whatever they're searching will go into your KV Core, and it will show you what they're searching. And KV Core will also send them automated emails and text messages as well. So let's go back to Facebook so I can show you guys how to make this picture clickable, because when you post it, it will just look like a regular picture. so that there won't be any website for it to take you to. So what you want to do in order to make this picture clickable so that they don't have to go through your description and click on this link, or if they click learn more, they will also end up on my landing page as well. So in order to make this clickable, all you have to do is click this boost post button underneath of your picture. So I'm doing this one because I already made mine clickable. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this one clickable. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this a clickable link. Let me show you exactly so that when somebody clicks on this picture, they end up on your website. If somebody clicks learn more, they end up on your website. Or if they click this little link in here, they will also end up on your website. So the easiest way to do this is to go to this post, your home search post. Mine's already set up, so I'm not going to do it on that one, but I'll do it on this one. You want to click boost post. Now, you're not actually going to boost the post because that's going to end up costing you money, but we are going to turn that into a clickable picture and we're going to turn the boost off before Facebook charges us any money. So I highly recommend that if you have some money for advertising, which you should, go ahead and boost the post of your home search so you can get it in front of a couple of thousand people and get them registered into your website as some new leads and start working with some buyers immediately. If you don't have any money, then don't worry about boosting the post, but we're just going to boost it right now to make it a clickable image on our page. Now, what you want to do is go into this boost and you want to click right here to special ads category and turn that on for housing. Now you also want to, your goal should be to get more website visitors. When you click get more website visitors, that is going to change the setup of your post to where it says learn more. This one says apply now. You can change that button down here to learn more. And then you want to enter in that bit.ly link that we copied and pasted. You'll enter that in right here. You'll enter in that bit.ly link. So boom. And then you scroll down. You can set up your targeting. If you are running this as an advertisement, I would recommend running it in like a 25-mile radius of the area that you serve. And you can turn the budget up and down. I put mine when I'm not really running it down to $1, and then you hit publish. Now, when you hit publish, it's going to show up like this. That's going to be a clickable link, and that is going to say learn more, where if they click that link, they will go directly to your website. And then they also have the opportunity to click the link that you put in the description. So that's 3 different ways. I'm not going to publish it because I don't feel like changing this post on my page. So now once you have that published, all you have to do to stop Facebook from charging you anything is click on your ads manager. Go into your ad account and turn this ad off so that Facebook doesn't charge you anything for that boost. Now, if you're going to run the boost, it's okay to leave it on. But if you don't plan on running that boost, then you want to turn it off. So I have a couple of different ad accounts. Let me go into the right one. Most of you guys probably won't have as many ad accounts as me. So once you get into your ad account, you'll see the post that you just created, and you just click this button right here and turn it from on to off. So you'll turn that post off and you won't be charged anything from Facebook. Now, when you go back to your Facebook business page, your post will look like this. You'll have everything set up. It'll say learn more, so they can click on that and go directly to your website. But now we have to figure out how to keep this post at the top of your business page so that when people come to look at your page, they end up seeing your home search right here as the first thing that they see. So your dream home is just one click away. They can click that and they will get your town real estate deals, and they will go directly to your landing page. So in order to do that, you want to go into the post, and I'll do it with this one because I already have this one done. So you go into the post and you click pin post. As soon as you click pin post, your post has been pinned. It'll be pinned right there to the front. So in order to unpin this post, all you have to do is click manage, add and remove and reorder cards in this feature. So you want to click done. You've unpinned your post from the unit featured. Then when you close that, you go back and only the post that you have pinned will remain pinned. Now that you've pinned that post, whenever somebody comes to your website, it will be right there in your featured post as soon as they make it onto your page. So this is going to be a great opportunity for them to come to your page and click on that link and go to start searching for homes immediately. This is going to be a great way to get them added into your CRM and a great way for them to automatically be followed up with by your artificial intelligence that's already working for you inside of your CRM. Now, don't forget that implementation is key. So make sure as soon as you're done watching this video, you go and implement this strategy immediately, because it does you no good to watch these types of videos if you're not implementing these strategies. Every day, your real estate business should be getting a little bit better and a little bit better. It's just like building a wall. You want to lay one brick at a time so that over time you will have so many bricks that you will have a wall that nobody can knock down, and you will have a strong real estate business that nobody can stop, and you will be making lots of money and getting lots of closings each and every single month. I hope this video brought you guys tons of value. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can get all of the updates from all of the videos that I post. And I'm hoping that they can help you grow your real estate business. And I'm also hoping that they will help you save some money so you don't pay somebody $1,200 a year for them to do what I just showed you how to do. Now, if you're interested in a free list of the exact videos that you should be doing for your YouTube channel, and you can also repurpose these videos to your Facebook and Instagram over the next 90 days, that's working for realtors to help them convert buyers and sellers at scale, I can email you that exact list of videos for the next 90 days. All you have to do is drop a comment below with your email address, and I'll get that list of videos over to you as soon as possible. I'm the Modern Mentor, Morgan Mayfield. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, drop your email address if you want that list of videos, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.